Hey guys, Coach Scott here. Hope you guys enjoyed our first game of Exergames at home, and now hope you're excited for game 2. Our second game of Exergames is a game called Coin Slide, and it's focusing on target practice using those fine motor skills. In terms of setup, it's pretty simple. All you need is a couple of coins and a long flat surface. As you can see, I've got my long flat surface just here behind me. The aim of the game is to stand at one end of the table, slide a coin and get it as close to the other end of the table as possible. I've got 3 zones marked out here by tape. If you land it before the first piece of tape, that is worth 1 point. If you land it in between the 2 pieces of tape, that is worth 2 points. And if you land it in between the last piece of tape and the end of the table, that is worth 3 points. If you overshoot it though, and it goes off the end of the table, that will be worth 0 points. Let me show you how it's done. So as you can see, I got 1 in between the last piece of tape and the end of the table, and 2 in between the 2 pieces of tape. So that would mean that I scored a total of 7 points. I hope you guys enjoyed our second game of Exergames at home. In terms of modifications for this game, you can use different surfaces, like you don't have to use a table like I did, just as long as it's a flat surface that you can slide things along. You don't have to use zones, you can just say closest to the end of the table gets a point, or you can bring in a target and they have to slide the coin as close to the target as possible. A bit like lawn bowls in that way. You can also bring in that cross-curricular activities as well, where if they land in a certain zone, they might be able to choose a number or a letter, and they might be able to then make an equation or a word out of that as well. But we'll put all that up with our video explaining it to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you next time.